Hello and welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to check your Project Zomboid version. First start Project Zomboid and wait for the title screen to load. On the main menu, look closely at the bottom right corner of the screen. The game's version number or build identifier is shown there whenever you're on the start screen. This lets you quickly see exactly which version you're running without leaving the game. If you want to check the version before launching the game, you can also use Steam. Open your Steam library and find Project Zomboid in the list of games. Right-click the game, choose Properties, then look under the Updates tab. While Steam doesn't always show a traditional version number here, it does show build IDs and update info that can hint at which branch you're on. It's good to know your version if you're reporting bugs, using mods, or joining multiplayer because mismatched builds can cause issues. Most players simply launch the game and read the version listed on the main screen for the fastest check. And that's how you check your Project Zomboid version. Thanks for watching.